Welcome, lovers of wisdom. Christmas is glorious. Ready, set, go!
To have your best Christmas ever, I am convinced that you have to engage all your physical senses: hearing, smell, taste, touch, and sight, and your spiritual senses: imagination, intuition, empathy, motivation, awareness, to name but a few. Welcome back. We are exploring 28 ways to make this your best Christmas ever. Number 25 is the sights, smells, and sounds of Christmas. How do you experience Christmas through the sense of hearing? What are your favorite sounds at Christmas? Christmas music, Christmas bells, children laughing, carolers singing, gifts being opened, the fire crackling? How do you experience Christmas through the sense of smell? What does Christmas smell like to you? Apple pie, pecan pie, the smell of a fresh Christmas tree, incense at church, crisp, cold, fresh air, hot chocolate, gingerbread, an open fire, pudding, cinnamon. How do you experience Christmas through the sense of sight? What does Christmas look like for you? Stars, the manger, reindeer, the child Jesus, nutcracker, snowflakes, a packed church, candles? Now consider some of your spiritual senses. How is God inviting you to engage your imagination this Christmas? How is God inviting you to engage your intuition this Christmas? How is God inviting you to engage your empathy? What area of your life is God calling you to engage your motivation? How is everything you are doing this season increasing your awareness?
Are you excited for your best Christmas ever? I know I am. But before you go, let's talk about how to avoid your worst Christmas ever.
It's not easy to have a great Christmas in a world where everyone is striving for what isn't worth having. Welcome back to 28 obstacles that will prevent you from having your best Christmas ever. Obstacle number 25 is choosing to be right rather than happy. One of my oldest and best friends talks about this concept often. Would you rather be right or happy? He asks. Being right often doesn't change anything. Proving that you are right about something often requires an argument. This Christmas, make an active effort not to argue about things that don't really matter. Let it go, let it be, move on. Ask yourself, would you rather be right or happy? But remember, find your joy, guard your joy, follow your joy, not just happiness. It seems our culture has confused happiness with comfort, and following comfort will lead you to misery. Find your joy, cherish your joy, guard your joy, and follow your joy. Busy is not your friend. Only a toxic friend leaves you feeling anxious, overwhelmed, discouraged, exhausted, stressed out, inadequate, and resentful. It's time to take our lives back from this tyrant we call busy. It's time to slow down to the speed of joy. Click the button below to join the Ambassadors Club today, and we will send you a free copy of my new book, Slowing Down to the Speed of Joy.
Have a great day!